So every great love story started with a very small thing. And so was with our case.
Yes, so this is the reason why we are giving this video out where we'll be telling how we both met and how this journey began from strangers to forever. So definitely this video was one of the most requested video till date, and so we started to think that this new channel should have the first video as this one. So hi everyone, I'm Dr. Kanaka
And I'm Dr. Shivang,
and welcome back to our new channel.
where madness meets fun. So those who don't know us, we already have a channel with more than 1 lakh subscribers by the name of Dr. Duo. You can check that out also.
And not only this, you can definitely go and check out our journey of friendship and then to our marriage. We have updated each and every detail of our marriage over there. So now let's begin with 1 year backstory. बिलीव अस ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ था बहुत ही उस दिन गर्मी थी बहुत ही गर्म टाइम था इट वाज अराउंड 17th of July
Right.
so 2020 तो बहुत ही गर्मी थी और हम
Plus the fear of COVID was looming everywhere. Like
Yeah.
everyone was in mask. That was the first wave we are talking about. So you can imagine the fear everyone
yes
had.
yes so सबने अपने N95 मास्क पहने हुए थे एंड वी वर सिटिंग इन अ गवर्नमेंट मेडिकल कॉलेज के ऑडिटोरियम में जहाँ पे फैन भी बहुत ही मुश्किल से चल रहा था
Kitch, kitch, that sound wala karke, and literally we all were sweating. And that was a situation like you don't want to see anyone. You just want कि आपका काम फटाफट हो जाए and you want to go back.
Yes, so that was the time when I came from Delhi to Gorakhpur for the very first time and also for the very first time all alone. So I came here बिल्कुल अकेले. There was no parents with me क्योंकि counseling था and क्योंकि COVID थी I didn't want my parents to just come with me बस drop करने के लिए और वो एक risk उठाना नहीं मैं चाहती थी वो. So I was there waiting for the signature of principal. I was done with all the documents which were required. वो recheck check हो चुका था and I was just waiting. And in front of me there was a boy sitting with black shorts and black t-shirt. So
That
he was
was
none
me.
other than we both were waiting and in front of me as I told you he was sitting. So he just turned back and started talking to me.
Then I said, hi, are you waiting for the signature too? So
Yeah, so that is how we started talking. We were just talking about the same thing कि हाँ भाई बहुत देर हो गई सिग्नेचर का वेट कर रहे हैं और गर्मी बहुत है. And then obviously when we were talking we definitely asked each other colleges. तो हम दोनों ने एक दूसरे के colleges पूछे किससे है. So that came up to a point that we realized that we both are from a private medical college and have cracked the government medical college in the first attempt itself.
right.
So
that was a common linking factor
Yeah.
and a very major one too. Because of course, like when you are shifting from a private to government, you are very skeptical about it. You have many doubts because of course the whole culture environment, everything is gonna be different from what you have already faced.
Even I faced the same thing. I was just thinking about the same thing. I was talking to my mom all the time continuously कि पता नहीं मम्मा मेरे यहाँ पे कोई फ्रेंड भी बन पाएगा या नहीं. मतलब मेरा दिमाग और आइडियोलॉजी बहुत अलग है बाकियों से. पता नहीं क्या होगा. And see what an amazing time it was. I just met him on the first day itself. So later on I also realized that he is from Gorakhpur itself. So बिल्कुल shamelessly मैंने सीधे से बोल दिया कि यार तू तो गोरखपुर से और मैं तो ज़्यादा सामान नहीं लाया. I had to shop things.
तो तुम मेरे को सामान दिलवा दे.
हाँ तो तू प्लीज़ मेरे साथ चल रही हो यार मुझे सामान दिलवा मैं हेल्प करवा दी.
Imagine this timing saying to a stranger because I was no more a stranger that at that time.
True. But I was so desperate to buy things and I had no one.
But she has always been the mother's kid, सब कुछ इसका mom करती आई है. So she has never done any work. She had never done any work. So उसको बस वो था कि यार I have to do it myself. So she was a bit scared too, of course.
Yeah, and more than सामान मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा था कि मुझे मिरर खरीदना है full size. तो ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा थी तो मैंने सीधा ही इसको ये बात बोल दी.
And another common linking point during the conversation was not only that we had come from government, we had come from a private college to government, but also that we had similar likings. By that I mean like we both love to travel. She had already checked everything about Gorakhpur and what places to go and where to go for a trip around Gorakhpur. She knew कि यहाँ से Nepal is very near, you can go for a trip and all. And that was a very common factor because even I, as you all know, we are very travel enthusiast, है ना? तो that was again a common linking, but we were already discussing कि यहाँ चलने का है, ये अच्छा खाने का है, पीने का है, ये travel करने की बहुत अच्छा है because if you have that lifestyle and that, I mean, that travel factor in you ना, वो it reflects.
या तो मतलब एक्चुअली में मेरे को मतलब लोगों की अलग अलग थॉट्स होती हैं व्हाइल चूजिंग अ कॉलेज सिंस आई वांटेड टू टेक डर्मा एंड डर्मा इन यूपी आर ओनली अवेलेबल इन वेरी फ्यू कॉलेजेस सो आई वाज जस्ट लेफ्ट विद द ऑप्शन ऑफ गोरखपुर सो रादर देन जस्ट फाइंडिंग आउट हाउ द कॉलेज इज आई वाज जस्ट फाइंडिंग आउट हाउ द सराउंडिंग एरियाज वर फॉर एग्जाम्पल कहाँ घूमने जा सकती हूँ खाने कहाँ जा सकती हूँ सो आई ऑलरेडी हैड द आइडिया कि यहाँ पे आसपास सारा खाने का सामान मिलता है डोमिनोज है ये है वो है एंड घूमने के लिए नेपाल है सो आई वाज लाइक वेरी excited about all of these things more. So the first thing I discussed with him was this as well.
Right.
So now it was a time when we had to disperse. I had to take my hostel and ये अपने घर जा रहा था. So while we were just dispersing, then
just dispersed, I guess.
नहीं ये सब नहीं होता. I gave you a compliment. Did you forget?
Oh
Which
yes. You know, she gave me a compliment. Wow, you have brown eyes. I was like, yes, like I had never given it so much importance. Since she also asked me, are you wearing lenses? I was, no, yeah, this is my natural color. I should have wear lens. That too in counseling day. But yes, that was a compliment which I liked.
Yeah, तो अभी मतलब एक साल से ज़्यादा हो गया तो इसकी सारी धुंधली हो गई है याद जो ये अभी तक इतनी तारीफ करता था उस चीज़ की बड़ी क्या anyhow तो उसके eyes की since I complimented so he said that left a very big mark on you.
Actually, even though my home is in Gorakhpur itself, but even I had to take the hostel. Reason being, at that time it was compulsory to do quarantine of 14 days before joining your duties itself. Because as I told before, it was the first year of COVID. So even I decided I'll start my quarantine period soon so that I can join my duties. So I came the next day to allot my room. And guess what? नीचे गार्ड था. कहते यार ऊपर एक लड़की बहुत वो कर रही है, टैंटम्स तो कर रही है, सुबह से गार्ड साफ नहीं हो रहा, वो नहीं हो रहा. I was like, कौन है यार, कौन ऐसा कर रही है? And he showed me the name in register. It was Kanika Pogli. I mean, I remembered यार ये तो वही है. चलो होगा यार कोई. Then I mean just entering the hostel when I just heard one shrieking voice. यार मैं सुबह से बोल रही हूँ रूम साफ कर लो, रूम क्यों नहीं साफ हो रहा है? And I was like, oh God, ये तो वही है. That guard was right. ये तो पूरे hostel.
Isn't it very natural when a room when I got allotted it should have been clean उसी time पे. But it wasn't. तो मैं एक बहुत dirty room में एक तो पहले सोई.
अरे तो ऐसे निकल सी हो stomping. यार ये क्या हो रहा है यार मेरे रूम साफ कर लो.
You have no idea इससे पहले मैं कितनी देर से आराम से बोल रही थी. एक तो यहाँ पे कोई आराम से सुनता ही नहीं है ना. So you have to shout. तो बताओ कितनी within seconds only वो बंदे ने ऊपर भेज ही दिया था cleaning के लिए.
Right.
And coincidentally at that very moment we both met.
So when I was allotted my room, and you can see that coincidentally it was just 2 rooms away from her on the same floor and on the same line itself. So I was like, matlab, I was there, I was talking on my phone when suddenly she came out. I was like, you. She was also like, you. Then again we had a conversation at that time, but उस समय ये बहुत जल्दी वाली हालत में थी actually. So ये अंदर भाग गई वापस dress up होने.
Obviously, what do you expect? I had no idea कि भाई ऐसी कोई मुझे लड़का टकरा जाएगा. तो मैं तो अपने बिल्कुल ही नाइट सूट में शॉर्ट्स वॉर्ट्स में घूम रही थी, बाल वाल ऐसे खुले हुए बिकॉज इट वाज जस्ट वॉश तो पूरा फ्लफी से हुए पड़े थे बड़े वाहियात से. तो उसी टाइम में इससे मिली. So then we started having conversation. So since it was like very first time, I couldn't even ask him to come in my room. So we used to always talk on the gate. अपने गेट पे हम बात करते थे. मैं अपने रूम की तरफ रहती थी, ये गेट की दूसरी साइड रहता था. मैंने कभी से नहीं बोला गया तो अंदर आ जाओ बिकॉज आई डिडंट वांट भाई अभी तो हम नॉर्मली मिल रहे हैं. पता चला फर्स्ट 2 days में ही लोगों का स्टार्ट हो जाए बातें करना. एंड बिलीव मी ये सब हो भी गया था. विद इन लाइक 3-4 days only those rumors started spreading about this thing, but just fine. So we started talking and then we just made the sudden plan of chalo let's go out to buy my things.
Stuff and all.
Yeah.
And trust me, at that time, that was a phase when all the shops used to be closed. Don't confuse it with this situation. उस समय hardly कोई दुकान खुली रहती. That was complete lockdown phase.
That was a weekend lockdown वाला phase.
Yeah, right.
We had no idea. At least I had no idea. So that was a Saturday probably or a Sunday.
Yeah.
ऐसे ही कुछ दिन था. मेरे ख्याल से Saturday था. तो हम दोनों चले गए शॉपिंग के लिए. देखा वहाँ पे तो सारी शॉप्स ही बंद है. And then we talked to few people. So they told us कि weekend quarantine चल रहा है, यहाँ पे weekend lockdown चल रहा है. So सब बंद है. तो भाई चलो अब क्या करें. तो वापस आने का सोचा. And then
तो डाइनिंग के लिए भी कोई ऑप्शंस नहीं थे because restaurants were closed. Restaurants, theaters had not yet opened at that time. So suddenly she had already done a research. So she said, Ramgartal में यहाँ पे कोई area है ना? I said yes, it's there. Although because I have also never stayed in Gorakhpur myself since class I think 9th or 10th times. Rather from class 4th. I'm in Mussoorie. उसके बाद MBBS I've done from outside. So I knew यहाँ पे रामगढ़ताल है, but exact location even I didn't know. So she was like, चलो देखते हैं. मैं कहा मैप पे देखो कितना दूर है from college. Then we saw it was around 3 kilometers, right?
probably
It was probably 3 to 4 kilometers. Then I was like, चलें. She was like, हाँ चलो चलते हैं. Then मैं कहा यार मैप लगा, I don't know the location, and we went to the Ramgartal.
सो इट वाज जैसा हमने भी आपको बताया कि हम क्या कहते हैं फर्स्ट डे जब मिले तो नेक्स्ट डे हम गोरखपुर में दोबारा हॉस्टल्स में जब इंटरेक्ट किया तो हम उसके बाद यहाँ पे ही घूमने आए थे बिकॉज आई हैड टू शॉप फ्यू थिंग्स. तो उस दिन सब कुछ लॉकडाउन था तो मैं कुछ खरीद नहीं पाए. सो वी जस्ट मेड अ सडन प्लान एंड हियर वी वर रामगढ़.
This beautiful place.
या तो मतलब ऑन द वेरी फर्स्ट आई वुड से सेकंड डे ही हम रामगढ़ ताल घूम लिए थे. और बिलीव मी गोरखपुर में सिर्फ यही है घूमने के लिए. आज तक हम सब रामगढ़ ताल ही घूमते आ रहे हैं और कहीं नहीं जाते हैं क्योंकि वो है ही नहीं. तो दिस इज हाउ our bond became stronger and stronger. We started talking, we started telling each other about minute details, things which were hurting me or hurting him or we were liking about the college. So we started discussing, but mind you we were still discussing on that room का gate जहाँ पे मैं अंदर होती थी ये बाहर होता था. तो हम पूरा टाइम यही करते थे. तो there was a day when that movie came of सुशांत सिंह राजपूत लास्ट वाली.
Right.
क्या नाम है उसका?
दिल बेचारा.
बेचारा. दिल बेचारा. So that was the movie. मेरे को था यार ये तो घर जाएगा, वाईफाई भी होगा, हमारे यहाँ तो वाईफाई नहीं. तो मैं बोला डाउनलोड करके आई हो मूवी हम देखेंगे. तो ये अपने घर से भी मतलब बेचारा डाउनलोड करके लाया.
And then we watched that movie in that selfie stand, you know, selfie stand और आता जो shoot करने के लिए stand होता है ना. So we attached the phone over there and watched that movie. And she being an emotional girl started crying at the end of movie.
हाँ.
Just kidding.
ठीक है. तो फिर ये मूवी भी हमने देखी एंड देन आई थिंक विद इन अ डे और टू तेरा बर्थडे भी था.
Right.
So
And I didn't know she had bought a surprise gift for me. I
yeah.
didn't even expect it at that time.
yeah.
And she usually used to sleep at 10 p.m. She was a very, early sleeper and she used to get up late. So one couldn't expect कि 12 बजे उठेगी सिर्फ wish करने के लिए. She would especially be awake. So at 12 a.m. I got a call and then she started singing Happy Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
She started singing. I was like, oh God.
Birthday.
I said thank you so much. And the next day she gave me a gift. That was a wallet.
So yeah, तो ऐसे मतलब obviously these small things matter and that gift wasn't just for his birthday. I already told him this thing. It's for
Helping
me throughout. मतलब 1 month I could have survived Gorakhpur just because of him because believe me वहाँ पे लाइट की इतनी दिक्कत होती थी. कुछ भी नहीं था. कम से कम जब मैंने कॉलेज ज्वाइन किया था तो स्टार्टिंग के 3-4 दिन तो लाइट ही नहीं थी. And I had no friends. There was no one who I could actually talk to. So he was the only one person I was talking to. Probably the same thing with you.
Yeah, probably same thing with me.
Why are you saying probably?
Probably because मेरी like इससे I'm a bit more social than her, so like मेरी डिपार्टमेंट में इधर उधर फिर भी बात होती है. She was a bit introvert in the beginning.
तो वही तो मेरी तो सिर्फ इसी बात होती थी. तो फिर हम दोनों ने मतलब एक्सप्लोर करना स्टार्ट किया गोरखपुर. And there was a time when I had to take a flat outside because we had to leave quarantine hostel and shift to the old hostels जो बहुत ही गंदे होते थे.
And new hostels had not yet been allotted. जिसमें हम अभी रह रहे हैं, these are new hostels, but they had not yet opened
उस
for
टाइम
us.
पे
Right?
तो we had to shift to the old वाले hostel जिसमें common washroom और रूम टूटे फूटे बहुत ही वाहियात कंडीशन. तो I wanted to shift to a flat.
And
So
even
he
I
was
want-
the one. So he took a flat because he has friends, right? I didn't. So it was really tough for me to find a flatmate first and then to shift. So he actually helped me throughout. सारे फ्लैट्स ढूंढने में इसने मेरी हेल्प करवाई. मतलब he was genuinely a very big sweetheart उस टाइम पे. उसने
What
मेरे
do you
को
know उस
सारे
time पे?
मतलब I'm talking about this time. तो फिर सारा सामान मेरे कार में डलवा कर शिफ्टिंग
Shift
पूरी
करवाई,
करवाई,
right.
सब कुछ करवाया और सेटिंग भी करवाई. नॉट जस्ट दैट, एवरीथिंग. सो it was amazing. So obviously with these things that bond grew and so we realized that probably this is just perfect for us.
Right.
And so ऐसे धीरे धीरे करते करते we came up to a relationship and
And I'll tell you some funny parts about the relationship. It was like no one had confessed actually. It was like अपने आप ही friendship से convert हो गया. It was just like that. Then one fine day she asked me क्या propose नहीं करोगे क्या?
of course इसको तो लगा कि भाई मस्ती मस्ती में हो गया, फायदा हो गया मेरा. मेरे को तो प्रपोज नहीं करना पड़ा, ये नहीं करना पड़ा. फिर मैंने बहुत तगड़ा वाला करवाया गाइस.
उसके बाद मुझे बोला फिर then you know मुझे कोविड भी हो गया था. So I was like जब मैं रिकवर कर जाऊंगा then I'll proceed with things. इसलिए डिले हो गया. Basically we were in relationship but it was It was like no one had actually confessed to each other, ना किसी ने propose किया था. It was like बस we started with the relationship. पर जब इसने बोला था ना, I also thought कि नहीं यार कर देना चाहिए. But जब मैं thought पे वो actually execute करता, I became COVID positive. So I had to quarantine myself for around 10 days. But जब मैं ठीक हो गया, when I became COVID negative, I had still not regained my taste, but still I decided कि चलो अब कर लेते हैं. So then I arranged the surprise for her, and which she liked, I guess. But I still couldn't taste the food because मेरा taste वापस उस समय भी नहीं आया हुआ था. But then yes, that's how we got into relationship officially.
Yeah. So in short, it was amazing how the things began, and it is also amazing that how the things are turning out to be and just running. बहुत ही अच्छा चल रहा है सब कुछ. And this was a very short little story of how we met. And
We'll be posting the links in the description about the marriage too. Like soon, of course, we are married right now. So we'll be posting the links about everything in the description box. You can check out those processes also.
yeah, that playlist, entire playlist.
Right.
And obviously, this since it's a new channel, we want a lot of support from you people. इस channel पे इतना fun content आने वाला है, इतना fun content आने वाला है कि किसी की कोई हद नहीं. You would just love this channel for all sorts of entertainment. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And जल्दी से इसको भी successful बनाते हैं just the way you help us.